Hello students, let us continue the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. So in this video, we are going to learn two reactions, addition of alcohol and addition of water. First one, let us see addition of alcohol. Okay, so aldehydes and ketones react with alcohol in the presence of an acid to form hemiacetals and hemiketals. Okay, so the statement that you are supposed to write here, aldehydes and ketones react with alcohol in the presence of an acid forming hemiacetals and hemiketals. You know students, these hemiacetals and these hemiketals, they react with another molecule of alcohol in the presence of an acid and finally form acetals and ketals. Okay, so I will show you the reaction. First one, taking aldehyde. Aldehyde is, you know, RCHO plus alcohol. General formula of alcohol, ROH you can write, as there is already R in the aldehyde. I am just marking it as R dash. Okay, so these two react with one another in the presence of an acid forming hemiacetals. Okay, so what happens here? The pi bond breaks up and near oxygen H comes up and near carbon OR dash goes, and this is called as hemiacetal, RCOH dash H. Okay, so we have also learned that this hemiacetal reacts with one more alcohol in the presence of an acid. So what happens? The OH from alcohol and hydrogen from hemiacetal combines and comes out as water molecule. Here I have written minus H2O. So in the place of H, R dash comes and replaces. Okay. So therefore the final product we are getting RCHOR dash OR dash, which is called as acetal. Okay. So this is the reaction with aldehyde. Next, reaction with ketone. Ketone reacts with alcohol in the presence of an acid. Same thing happens as we have seen above. So pi bond breaks up and hydrogen comes to oxygen, OR dash goes to carbon, thus forming hemiketal, RCOHOR dash R, this reacting with another molecule of alcohol in the presence of acid. Same HOH comes out as minus H2O and resulting in the formation of ketal, that is RCOR dash OR dash R. This is called as ketal. Okay, so this you are supposed to write under addition of alcohol. So I have shown you both the reactions, that is with aldehyde and also with the ketone. Okay, next one is reaction of aldehydes and ketones with water. So put the side heading addition with water. Okay, so here I have already written the reaction for you. So what you are supposed to write here? When aldehyde reacts with water, what is it forming, students? It is forming acetaldehyde hydrate. Okay, but this acetaldehyde hydrate is unstable. So what is happening here when water molecule comes to acetaldehyde? You all know acetaldehyde has CH3, C double bond OH. Okay, that pi bond breaks up and near oxygen H comes and near carbon OH comes. So what are there on carbon? Two OH groups. So in all the previous videos I was telling you two OH groups on the same carbon are if there are two OH groups on single carbon, it is unstable. Immediately water molecule comes out. Okay, therefore we say that acetaldehyde hydrate is unstable. But there is one interesting thing to be marked here. Acetaldehyde, when it reacts with water, acetaldehyde hydrate is forming, it is unstable. Okay, but taking trichloroacetaldehyde. So what is trichloroacetaldehyde? Replacing 3 hydrogens with 3 chlorine atoms. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 trichloroacetaldehyde, or it can also be called as chloral. When it reacts with water, what happens? The same thing. C double bond Y is there na? That pi bond breaks up and H goes to oxygen and OH from H2O comes to carbon. Okay. Similarly like the above reaction. So what is forming? CCl3, C, OH, OH, H. So what is this called as? Chloral hydrate. But this is stable. Okay. Here comes the question. Why that acetaldehyde hydrate is unstable, but why this chloral hydrate is stable, even though there are 2 OH groups on the same carbon? The reason is, look here students, these are highly electronegative, chlorine atoms are, and they possess strong inductive effect. That means they have the capacity to attract the electrons towards themselves. So what happens by that? This carbon gets more and more positive charge. Okay. So as it has already positive charge, it cannot lose a water molecule from this compound. Therefore, it is the reason why chloral hydrate is stable even though there are 2 OH groups on the same carbon. What should you write, students? The strong inductive effect of 3 chlorine atoms in chloral makes the carbon atom of the carbonyl group get more and more positive charge. Okay. So what happens by this? This stops the release of H2O from the compound. Fine. And also one more reason is here. The stability of chloral hydrate is also explained by the formation of, look here, hydrogen bonding between chlorine atoms and hydrogen atoms. This compound is chloral hydrate. Okay. So, CCl3, CHOH, OH. Chloral hydrate only I have written like this to show the hydrogen bond between hydrogen and chlorine. So, internally in this molecule there exists hydrogen bonds which makes it more and more stable, and because of that water molecule cannot be removed. We say that removal of water molecule from this is highly difficult. That means that is impossible. Okay. So that's the reason you should mention while writing addition of water. Okay students. So in this video we have learned 2 reactions, addition of alcohol and addition of water. So try to watch the video completely and try to learn the reactions. Thank you.